This is like candy cane. Yeah? That or this is really nice. Ooh, this is silky. How much is this one? This one was 69 cents. Yeah, that's cute. Yeah, I like this one. Let's see, where's the Christmas ones at? Oh, right here. Ah, they took all the clearance ones. Oh, that's petty. Okay, dang, they don't have no Christmas ones. What? They don't even have one that says Merry Christmas. Dang, that sucks. Okay, this is on clearance. This is cute. Hold this for you. Thank you. Yeah, it's kind of small. It's good. It's cute though. That, and then we need some little decoration. Socks or mistletoes. Ooh, we're gingerbread men. That's cute. What presents? Gingerbread man. Presents. I think the gingerbread man would be cuter. I need something else. I'm missing something. Look what I found. That's so cute. Christmas lights? Okay, bet. Oh, crap. Yeah, okay, that's good. Oh, I didn't see that. Is that on clearance? I'm sick. We have paper. The Christmas side. You always have to get a side. Oh, my hair is a mess. These are gonna go as the border. I'm gonna stick these around the edge. I think that'd be cute. Or I'm gonna stick this. I don't think I need both. I'm trying to think of how I'm gonna, because I want these are cute as hell. Put those up and put this, and then I can kind of just stick these around. I told myself I wouldn't spend over 10. I'm gonna have some coupons. Ignore my nails. Yeah? Can you see me? No. Here. Get it up on me. Come on, gang. We're debating on changing this just because it's like matte. I want something like boom. I was thinking of getting gold and putting it like in the center, like a square. You know what I mean? Like an accent. Nah. That's too much. Come on. That's like, that might be the most. Ooh. I always wanted a typewriter.
I used to have one. I used to play with all the time. Good job.
What? Your dad. My throat hurts. Ooh, this way. I have the glue guns before, but I need some. The mini kind. So I have a mini gun because I'm cool. Oh, that is a line. It goes that way. All right, I gotta pause real quick because I have to get my coupon. Okay, so we're headed to CVS to go print out some pictures. I'm only gonna print out a couple of them because we went to go take Christmas pictures already. So I really only need to print out like a couple of them of Kendrick opening some presents and stuff. If I could ever get in. I did small, the 3x4s, and they were only 30 cents each. Huh? Wow, look at his hat. Ooh, you're about to piss him off. And his hat's in his face. Cover him up. Can you hold this for me? Thank you. I didn't print out very many. I'm gonna cut these in half, or I'm gonna cut the shape of the body. Look at my baby, so cute. Oh. Gang, gang, gang. I told myself I wasn't even gonna coupon, and then boom, this printed out, and then I have like 13 more that I need to go spend. So I'm gonna do a separate vlog for couponing though, so be on the lookout. We did that, huh? We forgot the charger plugged into the machine. Dead. Okay, so I'm just gonna lay everything out, and I have some bows that I took from my wrapping paper, and then I'm just gonna open everything up and kind of place it how I want it to be set up. Now all of these pictures that okay, now all of these pictures that I printed out from CVS, they're like doubles in each one, so I'm just gonna cut those in half real quick. Now I'm just going through the pictures, deciding which ones I want, because I don't think I'm going to use all of them. Probably only like 3, since we did take some professionally. So I'm probably just going to use a couple of them, like our family one, me and Zane, Kendrick opening his gift, his outfit, because it was cute. Maybe not the one of him sleeping, this one. I'm going to kind of organize the pictures however I want them. So the pictures that I'm cutting out now, I ended up not even using, but I decided to keep the clip up so you guys can get some ideas for what y'all can do for your page. But I actually was going to put these as a little collage on the side of the page, but I ended up not liking it. So instead, I just decided I'm going to use my professional pictures because I thought it made the page look a lot more cleaner and crisp. Now I'm just going through, organizing everything, seeing how I want the pictures to be set up before I go in and glue everything down. And then I'm going to take these cute Christmas lights that I picked out, and I'm actually going to unravel them real quick. And then I'm going to place them on the top of the page. I wanted these to give a kind of hanging look from the top of the page. So when I glue it down, I'm actually only going to glue the 2 corners down. And then for the middle light, I'm actually going to glue it down a little lower than the other 2 end pieces. Now on every scrapbook page, you always want to make sure to put the date. So I got lucky this time because there's actually already a December 25th sticker that came with my little package I got. But usually I write the date down on one of the little date stickers that come with it. And right now I'm just gluing everything down. I have everything kind of placed how I want it. So I'm going to go through and glue the lights down first. Then I'm going to go in with the pictures and make sure everything is nice and stuck down before I put in some of the finishing details. Okay, now to finish the page up, I'm actually just going to take these cute little gingerbread stickers and I'm going to use those as a border to my pictures. Now I'm just going to glue the little date down because I didn't glue it down earlier, and then I'm going to go in and glue in all the gingerbread down to make sure they won't come off later. Now that I have the gingerbread nice and secure on the paper, I'm just going to go through and cut off the excess of the lights that I had earlier because they were still hanging. And then I'm just going to kind of swiggle my finger over the pictures and get all that excess glue, if you can kind of see what I was doing, because there is going to be a lot of little strings from the glue gun. And then the little side of the paper, the border, I just cut that off real quick. And I thought it would be cute to add some little lights on the corner, so I'm just going to glue those down real quick. Now for the finishing touch, I'm just going to mark my little present sticker, and then for the 2, I just put 2U for whoever reads it. And this is the finished page, guys, and my picture that's sticking up, I ended up gluing that down later, just FYI. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to subscribe. I will be coming out with another scrapbook page soon. I'm going to make a whole series because I do need to do Zane's birth scrapbook, so just be on the lookout and make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave me a thumbs up. Bye, guys.